Hello and welcome to Moushumi Pilates Studio's YouTube channel. This series that we are putting up is on shoulder and shoulder rehab. This particular video is going to take you through a series of exercises post shoulder dislocation and a surgical repair of the same. A very common injury related problem that you can see in a shoulder is what is known as a Bankarts lesion, and our client here has undergone a surgical repair for the same. A Bankarts lesion can take place because of a trauma like a fall or a fracture, but also quite commonly if there is repeated shoulder dislocations. Now, a shoulder dislocation can take place again because of an injury or a trauma, but it's very, very common in people who have either a ligamentous slackness or a muscular insufficiency. The shoulder, being a ball and socket joint, is used or provided for anatomically for mobility, and therefore it relies a lot on its ligament and muscular support system for its function. So look at the video series, and if you like it and enjoy it, definitely subscribe to the channel. And if you have other suggestions that you think would help you in your journey of looking at different videos and learning Pilates exercises, do put that in the comment section for us, and we'll try and get a video going just for you.